It's the Boost Oxygen Sizzlin Summer Sale, featuring our pocket-sized products. You can try and beat the heat, but you can't beat this deal because it's our hottest sale ever. Choose from 2 sale options. First, this Sizzlin Summer 5-pack deal. 2 pocket-sized naturals and 3 pocket-sized aromas, plus free shipping. Or this Sizzlin Summer 10-pack deal. 4 pocket-sized naturals and 6 pocket-sized aromas, plus free shipping. Both options are nearly 50% off the regular price. That's insane! We must be going crazy from the heat. It's the Boost Oxygen Sizzlin Summer Sale. Get it now at boostoxygen.com.